After the bell, this monster $5 stock is reporting earnings. I believe it's going to be blowout numbers, all-time high revenue for financial year 2025. The company has 79 million shares outstanding, cash flow positive, over $135 million on the books per dilution tracker. The company is Niagen Bioscience, ticker NAGE. We've been covering this name for over 2 years on this channel. We initially started in March of 2024. The company had blowout numbers, did a multi-100% runner as we introduced it. I believe history is about to repeat itself. The stock is primed for a massive move, and it has to be number one on your radar for this week. Again, ticker NAGE. Now, as we take a look into the institutional ownership, we see the typical suspects: BlackRock, Vanguard, UBS, Geode, State Street, Goldman. I think it's a really good sign that Goldman specifically doubled their position. They added about 576 last quarter, which is great. Dimensional, Rentec, all really good names adding to this stock and seeing value long term. Now, I really do believe the company is going to blow out earnings. I think they're going to have all-time high revenue for financial year 2025. So I'm very optimistic. The only problem is the market itself, from a macro perspective, has been selling off. So hopefully that doesn't have any negative effect on the stock, but definitely earnings after the bell today, March 4, 2026. Keep your eyes peeled for NAGE. Now, as we look at the financials here, the company's been growing about 30% quarter over quarter for the past 5 quarters straight, and the margins are around 64.5%. It's fantastic. The company's profitable, doing about 4 to 5 million per quarter, which is great. EPS right at around a nickel plus or minus two. Okay, balance sheet, same thing. A lot of cash on the books, no debt, which is fantastic. We say this every single video. Analysts on Wall Street love to scrutinize debt. We talk about all these big companies: CoreWeave, OpenAI, Oracle. Those are the names that are getting scrutinized the most. The people are selling off because of the risk profile. Niagen Bioscience, no debt on the balance sheet, which is fantastic. And again, the company is cash flow positive, as we mentioned earlier in the video. Now, as we take a look at the short interest here, it's actually the highest that we've seen in a very long time. From what I've scrolled back to, May of 2021 was the last time the short float was over 12%. So this is really interesting as well going into earnings. They have a very positive result. We can see some of that short interest, or those 6.5 million shares, get covered. And again, on average daily volume of 800,000, it's pretty much an 8x. So very interesting what's happening here. 50 million shares in the float, decent amount of short building up, going into a highly anticipated quarter. I do believe history is going to repeat itself again, like we saw 2 years ago. Now, we have some very small insider buys that they happen around November. Is about 4,000 shares from the CFO, which is great, at 681. He was buying the stock almost $2 above where it is currently. So in terms of value, in terms of his perspective, he sees that being a good buy. Definitely is screaming value here at $4.87. The target price from Wall Street analysts on the low end, $12, which is 146% upside. The median, $14, 187% upside. And the high target of $23, over 372% upside. I think it's a billion-dollar business trading at a 60% discount right now. Sub 400 million, it's around 370, 380 million market cap. I think the company, again, as I just mentioned, is a billion-dollar business. The PE is 20, forward is 17. Great numbers overall. It's fundamentally strong, and it's been consistent, right? There's nothing that should have threw people off guard, nothing that would have got investors to be shaky here. It's a very consistent, profitable company. It's a household name. Every single person that I know uses this product loves it. It works. It's tested. This is something that should be a very easy play. And sometimes the best plays are the most simple ones. Now I want to take a look at the chart. Everyone knows I keep it very simple with the technicals. I don't like to overcomplicate things, and my lines have worked really well. Now, I've done a few slight adjustments here. That support and resistance flip is 465. That is the floor. Anything below that doesn't make sense to me. It was previously the high in Q1 2024. That's when we did the first video on it. Had that big explosive multi-100% run. That solidified the top all the way until November of 2024. It then became the floor, hopefully what we're witnessing right now, okay? So sometimes it takes years for those levels to be retested, grab that old liquidity, and really solidify the bottom. Upside targets would be 527, 597, the high of year 687, which is my main target, 772, 918, 975, 1241, and the high end 1506. Now, again, keeping it pretty simple from the high, what we see is down about 65, 68%. Okay, so I actually did mention before that billion-dollar valuation, it's trading at a 60% discount. Well, that's also where the 52-week high is. So, very interesting point as well. Great value, knockdown. Definitely want to keep it on your watch. And when you go back to even, let's say, a conservative target, just the high of year is a 40, 42% gain. And I think the stock should be a minimum of 8. We're sitting at the support and resistance flip 465. You're pretty much buying the bottom. I don't really see much downside here personally. Again, that's my bias. It's not financial advice in any way, shape, or form. I want you guys to do your own research and due diligence on the company. But if you've been with me for the past 2 years, you know the stock has performed. We gave it out at $1 and change, went to 14.70. This was 1,000% runner here. Absolutely insane stuff. Really hope you guys have been paying attention to this company. It's a real business, as I mentioned. If you remember, it was formerly Chromadex. CDXC had a name change for anyone that's unaware. That happened a while ago. Now, before I let you guys go, I want to talk about a few key PRs that we saw going back to November. They announced a $10 million share repurchase program that was approved for up to 24 months. So it'll be interesting to see if we get any PRs. Did the company buy back some stock? It'd be really great to see some updates again in the future. November, we also saw they launched True Niagen Beauty, the first NAD plus skincare supplement in the US featuring Niagen. This is a daily stackable product to care for skin, hair, and nails at the cellular level. And anyone that's used this really says it works incredibly well. But it's the focus on the science of healthy aging, and that's what everyone is so infatuated with right now. In February of this year, we saw they secured a new US patent covering intravenous and injection formulas and methods for the use of Niagen, which is great. Anytime the company has IP, definitely makes it more valuable. You can have all the links provided in the description below as well. But this goes through 2024. They will have protection, so it's quite some time. Very interesting to see what they're going to do with that. Just takes the company to the next level, in my personal opinion. And then last, we saw that they had the sale of Chromadex. I didn't get an actual number here from this press release. I'm wondering if we're going to see more news on that in terms of what the actual deal structure was. But I'm going to look for all these answers in the earnings after the bell today. Last thing really quick, if you head to our website, avidcapital.co/discord, you could sign up for our group. We are trading live most days throughout the week, go over educational content, swing trading options, all of the above. If you want to get back on track, we have a very diverse group, all walks of life, all different levels of experience, from beginner to veteran traders. We would love to have you, and we're giving out a free month trial for our 1 year anniversary. If you want to be a part of the Discord, you can join for free and get premium access. Just let me know in the comments section below or shoot me a message on Twitter. Have a fantastic day, and as always, we'll see you in the next one.